Hey everybody, I just want to show you how to do the Screencastify thing. Shaq's hanging out. Say hi, Jackson.
Hi.
Good job, buddy. All right, so I went to Screencastify and then went to pricing up here. It's all kinds of little cool tools you can do like this. See? So I went to pricing and then show education discounts, and I just clicked get started on this unlimited one. And then once I did that, I'm not sure if it's gonna let me do it because I'm already in. I already have this. So it's okay. What happened? You see a bee? It's okay. And then right here there was an option to put in a code, and so I put that in, and it made this $0. And then I just hit submit, and it did it. I think, yeah. So, but I already did that, so I think that's why it's showing something different. Anyway, that's it. Super easy. So enjoy. Go for it.
Daddy.